In this video, I'll guide you through how to hide or unhide columns in Tableau. Tableau is a fantastic tool for data visualization, and knowing how to manage your columns effectively can make a big difference in how you present your data. Whether you're streamlining your view or just need to temporarily focus on specific data points, hiding and unhiding columns is a simple yet powerful feature. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to tableau.com. If you don't already have it open, go ahead and launch the Tableau application. Once you have Tableau up and running, you'll find yourself on the home screen, which is designed to give you easy access to your recent workbooks. This is where you'll want to begin. Now, on the home screen, look for the Recent section. Here, you'll see a list of your recently accessed workbooks. Find the workbook that you want to work with and click on it to open. This is a quick way to jump back into your data without having to search through files manually. Once your workbook is open, locate the specific column you wish to hide. To do this, simply right-click on the column header. Right-clicking is a handy way to access additional options in Tableau and other programs, so it's a good habit to get into when you want to perform specific actions. After right-clicking on the column header, you should see a context menu pop up. From this menu, select the Hide option. This will instantly remove the column from view, allowing you to simplify your data display and focus on the information that matters most at the moment. Hiding columns can be particularly useful when you're presenting data to an audience and want to keep things uncluttered. But what if you need that column back? Don't worry, unhiding columns is just as straightforward. Simply right-click on any column header again. This time, look for the option that says Show Hidden Data and click on it. This action will reveal all previously hidden columns, bringing them back into your view. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to hide and unhide columns in Tableau. This simple technique can help you tailor your data views to suit your needs, whether for analysis or presentation purposes. Remember, Tableau is all about making your data easier to understand and share, and managing your columns effectively is a key part of that process. Feel free to pause the video and practice these steps in your own Tableau environment. The more you practice, the more comfortable you'll become with using these features to improve your data visualizations. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on using Tableau and other data tools effectively. Thanks for watching and happy data visualizing.